Signal Corps. And so the communications instructor got up in front of us and started his lesson with, when I was on patrol in the rice paddies, I needed to do, and I don't know what it was he needed to do, but he was saying, we needed to do this in order to survive. That really concentrated everybody's mind wonderfully when he said, in order to survive. Because we all knew we were going to be in that position in relatively short order. So yes, I have no clue how we started on that, but you must have given an insightful comment if I went off on that long tangent. All right, so let's do the prayer, the Lord's Prayer. What is the first question you ask yourself under Lemon versus Kurtzman? Let's try that again. What is the first question you ask yourself under Lemon versus Kurtzman?
Does this program help or hurt any particular religion?
And we've already covered the fact there is no such thing as a non-religious prayer. But to make me happy, which again should be the focus of your existence, at least for the remainder of this semester. What is the second question you ask yourself under Lemon versus Kurtzman?
Does this program help or hurt any particular religion?
Does the Lord's Prayer help any particular religion?
Yes.
Yes. And what might that religion be? Christianity. How do we get the Lord's Prayer?
Jesus.
Jesus. What about Jesus? Something about Jesus. Yeah, okay. Jesus, who must have been sometimes disappointed in the disciples, because they constantly were screwing up. The disciples came to him and said, Boss, you keep saying pray. We're having trouble with that. Can you give us an idea what we're supposed to do? At that point, Jesus broke down and said, all right, if you can't think of anything else, use this one. Our Father who art in heaven, and so forth. I mean, we don't know for sure whether he said sins or sinners, which is what the disciples of Christ do, or debts and debtors, which is what we do, or trespasses and trespasses against us, which Mrs. Newman, who was raised as a Methodist, does, spending next day in the pew every Sunday. And it's always so much fun to have people look at the two of us wondering what the hell's going on in this mixed marriage. But you're right, the Lord's Prayer does not have a non-religious purpose, and it is for damn sure Christian, coming from the source of the religion. Okay. Let me pause here. Do we feel now like we have a strong command of the Lemon versus Kurtzman test? I would hope so. There's a reason to do that. Repeat, and it's going to fix it in your brains. All right. Do we know when the second exam is due? Next Wednesday, 1 week from today, at the beginning of the class period. Since we got 5 minutes, does anybody have any questions that have occurred to them about the second exam? For our listening audience at home, people are saying, oh, hell no, we have no questions, Professor. That's why we're packing all our shit up to take it away. I'll remind you just briefly, the second exam has got 4 questions on it. Each question corresponds to one of the 4 major subdivisions of the 4th branch and up. As was the case with the courts question, use the handouts as both a checklist to make sure you're saying everything that's on there and to structure your answer. Have your answers look like that. Remember, when I